This is Mallow, my little bad bird. I played dig and get the food off, and I let him out for flybys, and she found the food, namely the bread. Little piglet Mallow. Mallow, can I have some? Huh? Mallow, can I have some? Is that good, Mallow? Mallow. 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 She ain't stopping either. She's, she's a little piglet. She's a little piglet. There's all my little bratellas getting some stretchy time. And there Luna, my little old guy, he's blind in one eye. And there's his girlfriend. I don't know why she comes out of the cage just to hang on the outside of the cage to be with Luna. I don't understand that, but that's what she does. Every time. Hi, Raiders. Hi, the Raiders. Hi, Luna. And there's my little lemon drop. Hi, Lemon. And there's my little bad one. He likes to always go up there on the fan. We have to always keep it off. That's his favorite spot. I'm Gunny. What you doing up there? Huh? Oh, there's another one over there. There's Millie. She took off. She didn't want to be filmed. She's camera shy. Hi, Millie. Hello, Millie. Hello, Cinnamon. Hello, lucky boy. Hello, lucky boy. There's my two new babies. Uh-oh, Georgie's having a fit. Hi, Georgie. There's Angel. Oh, no, that's Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hello, Lily. Hello. Oh, my little babies. I clipped them so they can get used to me picking them up and holding them. So they can't do the flybys yet with the other birds. Okay. Are you hissing? Huh? You want to hiss? Hi, beautiful. That's my King George because his crown is so beautiful. Look at that crown on him. Hi, beautiful boy. Hi, beautiful girl. Oh, they're having a fit. All right. Film is at 11.